Hi there, David here from internetmarketingresource.com. I said when I built this blog that I'm going to show you everything I do and how I get traffic and how I build the site and everything pretty much. So this is sort of one of the main things you should be doing to your site. Every site you set up and put online, if it's for yourself or for client sites, you must do this. What I'm about to show you, it's Google Webmaster Tools. Okay, so I'm logged in my site here. It's Internet Marketing Resource. I'll copy the URL. What you need to do, you need to go to Google Webmaster Tools or google.com/webmaster tools, and you want to either set up an account if you don't already have an account, set one up, and if you do have one, go and add your site. So you just click on the Add Site, which is the red icon on the right of the button there, and in here you'll type in your site. Now my site is already listed here because I think I've done some other verifications, or I've also verified it, I've added it as Google Analytics. So I'm going to come back and verify it in a second. But what you should do initially is get yourself a plugin which is called Google XML Sitemaps. It's just one I use, and it works for me. So if I go to plugins and add new, I'll type in Google XML Sitemaps. Okay, the one I want is this one here, I think. If I click details, yeah, that's the one I'm going for. I recognize this from using it before. What this does is just build an XML sitemap of my site. So what I do is I click install now and then click OK. It goes off and gets the software and it installs it, and I click activate plugin. Okay, once I've activated it, it appears under settings here. To go to settings on the left, XML sitemap, and what I can do from here, you see a sitemap wasn't built yet. Click here to build it for the first time, so I'll click there. That then builds my sitemap and generates an XML file. And if I click on this link, that's my XML sitemap for now. I can copy that link in the browser, okay? Or I could just right click on this link, put copy link. Now I'm going to go to Webmaster Tools, and my site's already listed down here. I think it's here because it's already been verified by maybe Google Analytics. Other sites I've got listed here when people, if I do work for clients, then they add me as a user. That's one good thing about Webmaster Tools, is you can add someone else as a user. So if you had someone working for you, or like an SEO expert or consultant, you could give them access to your Webmaster account. It doesn't have to be full access, just enough so they can see all the settings. So that's one of the good things you can do here. But here's my site. I'm going to click Verify Site. And it's going to ask me, how I can verify it. Usually the recommended way is to download a file initially, and you can see here if you click on alternate methods, to give the option to HTML file upload. So what this means is I download this and then I upload it to my site, and then I click here, and that verifies that that's installed, and then I just click on verify at the bottom. So that's one way you can do it. HTML tag in the header, or you can do it through your domain name provider. I'm using this recommended method because I already have Google Analytics installed, okay? And then I've gone to Google Analytics prior to this, set up Analytics, and then activated it on my site. All I need to do is click verify, and it'll go off and check, and there you go. It says congratulations, you've successfully verified the ownership, and I can click continue. Once I click continue, then it can start tracking my site. So this is literally the first time I've done this. One thing I'll do now is go to sitemaps. Here you see sitemaps. I've got none. It says why submit a sitemap. So I'm going to click add sitemap, paste it in there. That's the link I copied earlier from the plugin. It just ends with sitemap.xml, and then I'll click submit sitemap, and it says sitemap submitted. Refresh the page. Okay, that's it done. There's 13 URLs. What this now means is it's like putting your hand up, literally putting your hand up across the web and waving, not allowing Google just to come and find your site. You don't really have to now hope that Google finds your site. By submitting your sitemap to Google XML or your Google XML sitemap to Webmaster tools. It's literally like waving your hand at Google saying, come and find my site, here I am. Okay, so come over and index it. So now I've done that, Google will automatically index my site whenever it does its crawl. So that's one thing you must do if you have a website. Build a sitemap for it, or an XML sitemap. If you have WordPress as your website, go and get the Google XML sitemap tool, build a sitemap. One thing I do turn off is this option here, rebuild a sitemap. If you change, I turn that off. That means that if anytime I update my blog, it automatically rebuilds a sitemap and pings Google and stuff. But I turn that off, and I come and rebuild it manually every couple of days, or when I add new content. It's got loads of other settings. I'm not going to go over them in this video, but this is one of the main things you must do. You must build an XML sitemap for your blog or for your website, and then you go and set up a Google Webmaster Tools account and submit the sitemap there. Okay, that's one of the main things you must do. So anyway, there'll be more videos like this. If you're watching this on YouTube or you're watching another site, come back to my YouTube channel. There'll be a link below, and come and subscribe to my channel and my site. It's internetmarketingresource.com, and you get more videos, and you can connect me with Facebook and Twitter in the usual ways. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and I hope that helps.